Hey everyone, it's Alex here. It's a hot morning here in Taiwan. It's right now around like 9 a.m. something like that. Super hot outside. I am right now in the subway station, so I want to quickly show you guys what it's like over here, and also basically how everything is goes. As you can see, the subway still pretty much has people around, and I want to show you basically how the whole process goes. So okay, first of all, for all these systems you can see these turnstiles, they all work based on a smart card system. So I'll show you just a second my smart card, which is just this cute little thing here, and usually it comes in the form of an actual card, but mine is a little bit special. And now let me show you. So every station has these kind of charging stations here where you can basically put your cards. Let me just show you quickly a second how it works. Let me put my juice here, and yeah, so basically I put my card here, and then it immediately appears. As you can see, it says 227 Taiwan dollars, but also it should somewhere here say that I have somewhere a special deal. Okay, I don't know. Oh, there we go. So this basically means, let me remove this for a quick second. So basically, this means that what I have is the ER Baling Yue Piao, which is 1280 monthly card. So that means I pay 1,280 Taiwan dollars per month, and in one of these kind of special stations over here. And what that means is that I can every month for 30 days I can ride the subway unlimited amount of times. I can ride the buses unlimited amount of times, and also in the shared bike system, which I'll show you at another day, I can also get like 30 minutes free for the first 30 minutes of each ride. So overall, quite good. Okay, so now let's quickly get onto the subway. So for that, you'll have to give me here just a second that I'll try to put on my mask. So as I said, the pandemic hasn't really affected Taiwan much, but what they do require is that everyone puts on a mask. Let me just put my trusty mask up here. Try to do it with one hand. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge. There we go. Okay, there we go. Try. Handsome. Awesome. Okay, now I can close my little bag. Okay, and take my juice. And now let's go and get us some. Let's enter the subway. Where's my card? There you go. So you can see in a second it'll show that the card has the unlimited rides. So you can see here, it's not very clear, but that says that until the 12th of July I can ride as many times as I want, until I extend again the card for the next month. Okay, let's go through here now. So when I enter the subway, I'll basically cut this feed off, because in the subway generally, well, in Taiwan it's not illegal to talk or make phone calls. It is quite frowned upon, so best not to do that. Similar a bit to Japan in that sense. Also in the subway you cannot eat or drink anything, including water, snacks, gum, beetle nut, which I'll probably explain another day later, and so on. There you go. Everything is here. Extremely clean, extremely wide area here, and we are going down to the second floor down. Down a little more, not bother anyone. And there you go. As you can see here, everyone also always stands in line. There's special lines you can see here, and different styles based on the location, and everyone makes sure to stand in line. So okay, so I'm gonna be cutting my feed off now, and everyone have a nice day. See you later.
Somewhere on the scene, it got a little longer, so it seems. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. I feel a little light in the light track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good